Welcome to Happy Fun Time!
Hi guys, and welcome to Happy Fun Time for Kids, and today we are going to unbox a daily toy unboxing for 25 days this holiday. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to our channel. And without further ado, what we're going to unbox today is the LOL Surprise Furniture Series 2. There you have it, guys. So we are going to unbox the Series 2 LOL Surprise Furniture. Let's open our toy now. There you go. I'm really curious with this furniture. Will it look like a dollhouse for our LOL? I'm not so sure. Do you already have this kind of toy from the LOL series? Let me know what kind of LOL furniture you have. What do you expect? I think there's already a series 3 of the LOL furniture. Whoa. Look, guys. Look how the paper is turning into. There's some rainbows. It's holographic, right? So, let's open up. It said Road Trip Escapade Routier. Not so sure if I pronounced it correctly. Whoa, how cool, how cool! LOL, you never fail to surprise me. Are we going to pull this up? I'm not so sure. Oh, it's a good thing I didn't pull. I think there's an instruction right there. Okay, so, oh, this is how it works. Again. Let me show you. I'm gonna move our camera. I need to show you how this thing works. Okay, so you need to pull. You need to check out the sides of this cut open, and this is the side that you're gonna pull it to the front. And this, I think, is like, this one is like a lock. And then, voila! You have a road trip? I'm not so sure, so let's remove all the toys first so we can check out the box, what it really looks like. Okay, it's like a track. Is there an instruction guide here, guys? Oh, I guess this is it, or no? Okay, bear with me, guys. Not so sure how this thing works. I think I got it. Right. I got it. But it's really not turning up the way it should be. So I think this is a car. Let's check out for instruction guides, whatever. We got some stickers here. So we need to open. We got 1, 2, 3. There's a lot of baggies, guys. So let's check out. We got some hairband with this. I don't know what to do that for. Okay. Next one, we got our sipping cup. What is this? I think this one is a toy. And another toy. Yeah, everything is a toy, but we need to first unlock all the accessories so we don't miss out anything. Oh, what's this? It's like a car scent. And we got an outfit here. 1960s outfit. Or 70s, not so sure for the style. Okay, what's this? LOL Pop Magazine, Diva. We got a yellow boots. So tiny. We got another LOL accessories here. Okay, and this is a dice. Alright. First, we are going to check out this one. There are 3 huge items here. Oh, this one is the car. How cool! The car. LOL car. And the next one is our. There we have it. We already have her outfit, and we got here a huge bag. Let's open this one. Oh, so this is a huge car. This is the car. Whoa, guys, we have a car. So amazing. She will really fit in here. There we go. Is it this a car standing like that? And then this one is for the dolls or for the little sister. Crazy. So cool. We got it there. There you have it, guys. We have it. So let me assemble this so we can check out how we're going to play with it. There you have it, and we have our LOL furniture. We got a car edition from our Series 2 LOL Surprise Furniture, guys. This is really cool. We can use this, we can play with it, we can include other LOL toys with it, right? So vintage. I like it. If you like this, guys, like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And please do share, subscribe to our channel. And please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified with our new uploads and our latest toy unboxing that we can give out to you. So anyway, guys, that's all for now. See you in our next video. And I hope you're happy and stay happy and have a wonderful day with Happy Fun Time for Kids. Goodbye for now. See you in our...
Welcome to Happy Fun Time!